Beautiful, easy to use. Today we're gonna bring a portable blender. Now the vendor was kind enough to send this out for the review, so we're gonna take a look at it and see what we get when you get something like this. All right, this is what you get. You get the actual blender. If you guys notice, I'm gonna push a button once so you can see how much charge you have. If you push it twice, it'll turn on the blender. You can drink directly out of it. If you guys can see this, once you have your shake set up and everything to go, now they do give you a charging station. The charging station is a type C to type A, of course. They give you the manual, including some recipes. This is made of silicone, so you can put anything in here. This is a plus. This is an extra gift that they give you. But the actual blender is what I wanted to use, and this looks very handy. You could actually take it on the go. The whole blender itself is portable. It'll last you for many hours. This would do ice, fruit, vegetables, anything you want to, instead of using a large blender to take out. So say you want to do some Mexican salsa, you can do that easily through here instead of taking the big bulky one. It's easy to wash too also, and you could dismantle it too to put it in the actual. I don't recommend you put it in the dishwasher. Wash it by hand if it's possible, because a lot of components are made of plastic and have rubber seals. So make sure you clean that up properly. But we're going to take a look at it and we're going to put it to use today. So let's take a look at it. All right, you could take the whole thing apart so you can wash it separate. If you guys can see, this is the actual tubing. I would recommend you clean it up, wash it, with especially off the box, clean it up. You can wash it manually. Usually they do have seals, and in fact, this one has silicone rubber ends right here, which is right here, the seals. Now, to clean it even easier, you put your soap and your water in there. And if you want, all you got to do is turn it on, and it'll do the cleaning for you. Put enough water in there. If you overflow it, it's going to spill, of course, but look at that. Cleaning it with water. And then I'm putting a little bit of soap, and we should do it. All right, so we filled it up with fruit, ice, and a little bit of water. We're gonna blend it in. If you guys notice, I put a couple ice cubes in here. We're gonna blend it in, see how well it works. So let's go ahead and do that. So we're gonna cover it up. Let's shake it up, turn it up. Getting all the fruits and vegetables shaken up. Make sure everything goes to the bottom. Beautiful, easy to use. Just make sure you have enough water in there so you can mix it around. Once it's blended, turn it off and it's ready to go. You could drink it directly off here. Oh, this is good. Nice, fresh, homemade fruit smoothie. So, bottoms up. Hope you guys enjoyed the video.